Hey guys, today we're going to make a new YouTube channel. It's called Lucky Leanne Experiment Science. I'm going to show you what a chemical change is. For this experiment, we will need yeast, hydrogen peroxide, 2 identical containers, a measuring device for liquid, a measuring device for yeast, water, if you have one, a way to measure temperature. Science is all about wondering. So I'm wondering which of these will make a chemical change? Yeast and water or yeast and hydrogen peroxide? When you're doing science, you gotta control your variables. Only change one thing. Here's what we keep the same. Same amount of liquid, 200 milliliters, exact kind of container, and same amount of yeast for both. Step 1, take the temperature of the water. First up, water and yeast. All of it?
Mm-hmm.
Ew. So guys, no bubbling, no fizzing, no explosion. I don't think this is a chemical change. It feels pretty cold. 78.5. But here's the crazy thing, guys. Water and yeast had the temperature go up. So I think that's a chemical reaction too. My dad thought that would not be a chemical reaction. He was wrong. He's often wrong. Only like in different ways. At math, he's pretty much always right, but not sometimes at science. Now for yeast and hydrogen peroxide. Let's take the temperature, 74.5. So we're gonna put this in and mix it up. It's time for... Oh, it's fizzing. It's definitely the right one. 96.4. And it's fizzling and bubbling and it's warm. It'll feel good, but look bad. Let's see what happens when you put more. Hey guys, wasn't that cool? We got to see a definite chemical reaction. Yeast and hydrogen peroxide. It gets bubbly and warm and fun to play with. Thanks guys for watching to the end. So here's a bonus experiment. Baking soda and vinegar. Let's see what happens. Ah! I still have more. Oh, it feels so great.
Hot or cold?
It's cold. Whoa, the pepper might make a little sticky feeling. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I really want to get us 1,000 subscribers. Please subscribe, or 1 billion. See you next time. Bye. Feels so good.